I know what's going on down there. Oh my god, is it like a bucket or something? I don't know what's going on down there. Huh. Hello. Getting on or not? Okay. Back at my favorite elevators in BC3. Otis Series-1s from 2002 at the Tech Building in Succop Theater. Oh, okay. Okay, it's a little wobbly. Supposed to be like, meeting mom over at the Student Success Center, or the main building on campus. What is going on with that frickin' door? Oh, you coming on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go. What floor?
3.
It's okay. I'm going to 3. Okay. Don't mind me. Just doing a video of this elevator for like a project or whatever. So yeah, I got like a bit of a... Never mind. Let's just say, it's a weird hobby.
Thank you.
You too. Let's send that down to 1. Let's take the other one down. Is that one going? By the way, I want to show you this atrium. It's really cool. It's probably my most favorite building on the campus. Although it's kind of tied with the library. The library's nice too, or keeping family learning sorry. Slurring, whatever. So yeah, the most grand atrium on all of the Butler Community College's main campus. And you can look out these doors, you can see the rest of the campus out there, and all the oak trees and shit. These railings, I think it's supposed to mimic the ones in the old buildings on campus that date back to the 60s and 70s. Okay, let's go downstairs. Am I going to get this one on the right? I think we are. Yeah. Okay, good. My mother's probably wondering what the hell is taking me so damn long. I'm sorry, I need to study, for frickin' school. I need to get my frickin' grades up in college and shit, Just saying. Oh! Okay, these have become a little bit of a minor death trap. Whoa! Holy shit, that fucking leveling. Damn, that's fast. Woo! Okay, so yeah, I did cap. Same as the other one. I'm just gonna show you for the hell of it. Okay, yeah, come on. I gotta get back to home soon. Yeah, so, yeah. Okay, adios.